Hello there, Crystal from the SimplyWise team here. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to ask for a Google review from your client or your customer. So you have a great client, you've finished your project, now you want to promote your business. You want to get those reviews online so that you can share your business with other folks, and then your potential future clients can read about you and your business and how well you serve your clients. Okay, so to get started, you want to tap into the folder where your invoices are located. You'll have to have your invoice already created in order to do this. If you don't have the invoice already created, you can do that quickly. It takes about a minute or less. Tap the blue create button and then tap invoice. From here, you'll have two different options, either creating an invoice from an estimate that's already saved in the app or from scratch. Totally up to you. Whatever you want to do is perfectly fine. Okay. Assuming that you already have it created, we're going to navigate to our invoices. Here you will see your invoices in chronological order with your most recent at the top. So we're going to tap into the first one, and we are going to go ahead and apply payments so that we can get this Google review prompt out to them. Okay. What you want to do is you want to tap into the payments screen. However you set up your payments, perfectly fine. If you require one payment, if you require 50% up front and then the rest upon completion, totally up to you. In this example, we're just going to apply one payment, the payment in full, and we're going to tap add payment. Okay, you can see that it added that payment, but it's still in schedule mode, right? So the scheduled is next to the total. What we need to do is mark that payment as paid. Okay. Once we do that, the app is going to congratulate you on it, and it's going to prompt you, hey, would you like to get reviews on your Google site? Let's go ahead and set that up. So you would tap set up, and once you do that, it's going to say review QR code. Tap start, and then you can add in your information there. So you want to make sure that you check your link when you submit it. Check it 2 or 3 times to make sure that it's accurate. So when you send it, they're not getting any errors or redirected to other places. So you can do that in here. Once that's updated, you tap save and you can send. Great way to get good positive feedback from happy clients, happy customers. Your digital footprint says a lot about your business and how you operate. And so when you can grab that feedback from those clients that are super satisfied, it's a great way to let your clients speak for you and promote your business for you online. Okay, so quick and easy way to get that set up and sent out. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.